What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Jigsaw Slice Workshop. It's been a long time since we've done a video, but our videos are back. You're going to see a little bit difference. We're going to focus more on the tool and less of me talking. I don't want to be a tool. So, what we got for you today is the new barrel grip Milwaukee Jigsaw. This is brushless on our M18 platform. Number is 2737B barrel grip -20. Beer tool price is $1.99. As always, get it over to Active Tools. So let's go over a little bit about the saw. You have your rubber over molding, kind of mimics the M12 a little bit. One feature they added that most saws don't have is an ambidextrous on and off switch. Simply hold this for a couple seconds, the tool turns on. Variable speed dial down here, auto, 1 through 6 speed settings, all the way up to, 3,500 strokes per minute. It comes with a dust collection tube, a shroud, a splinter guard, and actually for the LED light there's a black clip, as seen here. You insert right in here, and if you're doing any cutting from the underside, you can block the light. Now, I have a lot of negativity towards the saw, and I'm going to try to keep it out of it, so I'm going to be objective about some issues that I've experienced with the saw. First off, dust collection is mediocre at best. It captures maybe about 65% of the dust chips. There's a pretty considerable gap when you install a brush shroud here. Probably about an 1/8 inch that a lot of chips definitely escape. Also towards the back of the saw, it's not totally enclosed. Okay, so it's a good size issue if you're doing a lot of material work and you're really worried about dust collection. The triggers are solid. You have 0 through 3 for orbital settings, obviously 3 being the highest orbital. You have a dust blower here. The dust blower does okay. I did experience while cutting some denser wood, a lot of the chips tend to collect right in front of the pusher guard, the splinter guard here. So the blower isn't doing everything, but it is considerable change over the M12 Jigsaw that they had. Also, there's no toolless bevel guard. There's an Allen key stored in the back of the saw. Loosen it and you can go up to a 45-degree bevel. It would be nice to see a little lever in here. Instead, you have to take the plastic shoe off, undo the nut, put in your orientation. To change your blade, it's up here. You have about a 50-50 shot of it actually ejecting nicely. Right now, it's got a good grip on that blade. So it's kind of hit or miss right there. In terms of the blade guide bushing, which Bosch in their 572 saw, their EV, it's your barrel grip model. Totally love that saw, one of the best saws that I own. This just kind of has a smaller bushing on there to keep that blade straight. So all that basically does is when you're making scroll cuts, going through denser woods, it minimizes blade deflection. This saw, it does a pretty good job of it, much improved over the brush model of years past, so it does okay, but I would have liked to see, especially for a barrel grip, I would have liked to see a little beefierness in there. It's a pretty good size saw. It's rather heavy in the hand. Where my hand naturally sits is further back on the barrel, so it makes it hard to get to that on-off switch. A lot of the competition, they have a switch down here. If you want a really in-depth comparison, follow me on Instagram at Jigsaw Slice Workshop. Go to IGTV and I go really in-depth over the saw. So I don't want to focus too much on that in this video here, but I do have content available for that. So it's a very powerful saw. It's going to do everything that you asked it to do. It's going to do it pretty well. It just lacks the refinedness of a lot of the competition. I ran a 4.0 on the back end of it. If you go to like a 2.0, you get a little more balance on the saw. It is not the most well-balanced saw, especially when you put it where your hand wants to, it just feels awkward. It's pretty heavy. The grip really widens out when you hit the base of the saw, so my hands aren't the biggest, but they're not the smallest. They kind of fall right in the middle range. I just find it a little bit on the heavy side. So, however, kudos to Milwaukee. They had no intentions of releasing this saw, but they listened to their customers, and we, Milwaukee users, wanted a barrel grip jigsaw, so they provided it for us. I think it needs a little bit of work, but overall, it's a step in the right direction, and they listened to us. So, if you're in the market for a barrel grip jigsaw, I wouldn't run out and get the Milwaukee. It's not the best one in the market right now. Needs some refinement. It lacks a lot of the ergonomics some of the other competition has. It just doesn't have the pristine feel that a barrel grip should have. However, if you're in the Milwaukee platform and you want a cordless barrel grip, it's a good idea to go get one. Very powerful saw. Dust blower works okay, so it's going to be good for a lot of outdoor stuff. But if you're a shop guy like me, you want something that's going to get as much dust collection as possible. So overall, it's not a bad tool, pretty powerful, $199 bear tool. I think a kit's going to run you about $299, $349, something there. Information will be in the video. So that's all I got for you guys. I try to keep chatter to a minimum. What can I say? I like to hear myself talk. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching.